we ain't gonna be quiet. But as I told you guys, I broke my tripod and I had to go get another one. So I kind of went a little fancy, got one with the remote, but I'm still using my phone. Yes, Ghetto Fabulous. I use my phone for everything. Maybe when I win the lottery or something, then I'll upgrade. But so now we're gonna do what we do and use the phone. But I'm gonna show you guys today how I make boneless ribs. Here, I got some boneless ribs. I just picked any ones. They don't have to be fancy or anything. Of course, me, I'm the Kroger queen, so got some ribs and then got a marinade in a bag because I don't have time to do a marinade. So we're gonna do a marinade in a bag. So we're gonna boil our ribs until they look almost done. You can add some garlic salt, garlic powder, salt, pepper. You can even add a piece of whole garlic. But yeah, so we're gonna boil these and I shall return. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you. My ribs are almost done. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put these on a paper plate. That way I take all the water out of them because I don't wanna put them in the marinade when they're soaking in water. So I'm just gonna let these sit for a little while. And when I know the water is out of them, then I'm gonna put them in my marinade. Alright guys, so I basically patted my meat down because I'm not gonna wait for all the water to drop. So I have my marinade bag. I got the smoky mesquite kind. They have different ones, but let me see how it smells. It smells like a honey barbecue. This can hold up to 3 pounds of meat. So all we're gonna do is grab our ribs and we're gonna drop them in there. It's that easy. Alright, so I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna pretty much mix it around. And it says put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before I put it in the oven. Make sure all the meat is coated. Now we're gonna let this sit in the fridge. Alright you guys, so I'm about 7 minutes left and I preheated my oven to 375 and I also lined a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Easier to clean, but yeah, so we got about 6 minutes until our marinade is done. Alright, so my marinade is about done. I waited 30 long minutes. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place these on my baking sheet.
Ooh, we got turbo. Watch the instructions.
I'm gonna actually use a little bit of this.
Mom, can
Is she wearing a little hat? I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so 25 minutes. And this is what I ended up with. I can just smell it. Alright, you guys can pretty much pair this up with anything. Mashed potatoes, a pasta salad, rice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is I want to get some of this marinade